Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video we will study third property of arithmetic mean. The change of origin and scale affect the mean. If yi is equal to a plus b times xi, then y bar is equal to a plus bx bar. It means if we have given the variable y and variable x, if we multiply b with x and add up a, then what will change with with y? The, how to find the y bar or mean of y? The y bar is equal to a plus b times x bar. So y bar is equal to a plus b times x bar. This is called change of origin and scale. So let's start with uh, individual change of origin, then change of scale individually. We will study first. Proof: if we add to or subtract a constant number from each value of x, then it is called change of origin. What is change of origin? Change of origin is when you add something with x, then it is called change of origin. Or if you just subtract something from x, that is called change of origin. Change of origin is just adding a constant number with x. This one, yi is equal to a plus xi. It is called change of origin. A is any constant number. It may be 5 or 10 or 8 or negative or decimal, any number. So if you add any number with x, only just add, then it is called change of origin. If you add a, then what happened with y bar? Y bar is equal to just add a with x bar. You will get y bar. If you subtract a from xi, this is also called change of origin. Xi minus a. If you subtract any number from x, then y bar is equal to, how to get y bar? Just subtract that a from x bar. That will be, you get y bar. This is called change of origin. Now, change of origin means if you add something or you subtract a constant number from a variable x, that is called change of origin. Now, if we multiply to or divide by a constant number each value of x, then it is called change of scale. Change of scale means if you multiply something with x or divide something by x, that is called change of scale. For example, if yi is a variable, if b you multiply with x, only b is any number, for example 9 multiply with x, or uh, 10.5 multiply with x. If just multiply any number with x, then it is called change of scale. Then if you multiply b, then here you will also multiply b x bar. With x bar you will get y bar. If you divide b, xi divided by b, then it is also called change of scale. Then if you divide by b, then here you will also divide by b. X bar divided by b, you will get y bar. So if you multiply any number with x, or if you divide any number by x, it is called change of scale. Change of scale either from multiplication or from division. And change of origin is either from plus or from minus. Now here in this example, yi is equal to a plus bxi. Here I did addition, a I add with x and b multiply with x. So I did both change of origin, because adding something is change of origin, multiply something is change of scale. So I did in this example both change of origin and scale. That's why it is called change of origin and scale, because I did both of them, addition and multiplication. Then y bar, how to get y bar? Y bar is equal to a plus b times x bar. Just same number you will write with x bar. Now let me to prove this one here in this table. So these are the original numbers. These are the original number. X assume 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, these number. Now find the mean of these numbers. How to get mean of x? Just the mean of x is sum divided by n. This is the basic idea of mean. X bar is equal to sum divided by n. So add up these numbers. This is 30 divided by n. So how many number are these? These are 6 numbers. So 30 divided by 6, we will get x bar is 5. So x bar is 5 from this original number. Now use the change of origin property. Change of origin means when you add something or subtract. So this is a new variable y, and I'm adding 8 with x. 8 plus x means add x with each number of x. So 2 plus 8 is 10. 3 plus 8 11. 4 plus 8 12. 5 plus 8 13. 7 plus 8 15. 9 plus 8 17. Now these are the new number. These new number are called y. Okay, these are y. So according to our property, change of origin property, how we will get the mean of y bar? The mean of y bar is equal to 8 plus x bar. So what is x bar? X bar is here 5. So 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. So y bar answer is 13. So y bar answer is 13 by using the property of change of origin. The property of change of origin is 8 plus x bar. So x bar is here 5. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So y bar answer is 13. Now let me to prove this one. Y bar is 13. What does y bar mean? Y bar means sum of number divided by n, number of values. This is the basic idea of mean. Mean means sum of values divided by number of values. So these are the y value. So add up these. When you add up these, it is 78. 78 divided by n. So how many number are these? These are 6 number. So 78 divided by 6, we will get 13. So this is the proof. If you add up these number and divide by 6, the mean of these value, the mean of y bar is 13. If you use the property is 8 y bar is equal to 8 plus x bar. This is the property. Y bar is equal to 8 x bar. So what is x bar answer? X bar is 5. So 8 plus 5 is 13. This you will get directly from property, and if you want to confirm this, just add up this y answer and divide by 6, you will get this one. This is just for confirmation. Now the second property, change of scale. Change of scale means when you multiply something or divide something. Now I am multiplying here 5 with each number of x. So 5 times x is 10. 5 times 3 15. 5 times 4 20. 5 times 5 25. 5 times 7 35. 5 times 9 45. These are new numbers. These new numbers are called y, and the property is y is equal to 5x. So how we will get y bar? Y bar is equal to 5 times x bar. This is the property from this variable. Y become y bar, 5 times x become x bar. So how to get y bar answer? Just multiply 5 with x bar. So x bar answer is 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. So this is 25 is our mean of y bar according to property. Now let me confirm this answer from these values. So y bar is equal to sum divided by n. So sum add up all these numbers, which is 150. 150 divided by how many number are these? These number are 6 number. Then divide by 6, we will get 25. 150 divided by 6 is 25. So let's confirm now from the numbers. Y bar mean add up all number and divide by 6, we will get 25. And according to the property of change of scale is y is equal to 5 x bar. When you multiply 5 with x, then the same number, if you multiply with x bar, you will get y bar. So x bar is 5. So 5 times 5 25. This is according to property. Now here, change of origin and scale, both are doing together. Change of origin and scale. Origin means adding something. Scale means multiply something. So y is equal to 6 plus 10 times x. It means first multiply 10 with x, then add up 6. So first multiply 10 with x. So 10 times 2, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. 10 times 3, 30. 30 plus 6, 36. 10 times 4, 40. 40 plus 6, 46. So 10 times 5. is 50. 50 plus 6, 56, and so on. So these are new number of y, and these new number we got from according to this 6 plus 10 times x. Now if you use the property change of origin and scale property, what is the property? Y is equal to 6 plus 10x, this become y bar, and 6 plus 10 times x bar, this become x bar. So how to get the answer of y bar? So just multiply here x bar answer, the x bar answer which is 5. So 5 times 10 is 50, 50 plus 6 is 56. So this is the answer according to our property. Now let me to confirm this answer from these number. This is now just for confirmation. So what is the basic idea of y bar? Sum divided by n. So add up these number which is 336, and how many numbers? 6. So 336 divided by 6 is 56. This is confirmation. So these are the original number. This is the change of origin property. What is the change of origin property? Y is equal to 8 plus x. It means add 8 with each number of x. Then how you will get the y bar? So y bar is equal to 8 plus x bar. So x bar answer is 5. So 8 plus 5. Use a property. Okay, the property you will get 13. 5 y is equal to 5 times x. So what is the property? This becomes y bar and 5 times x bar. So what is x bar? 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. So y bar answer will be 25. Y is equal to 10, 6 plus 10 x. So now what is the property of this one according to change of origin scale? This becomes y bar and 6 plus 10 x bar. Now what is the value of x bar? X bar is 5. X bar is 5. So 5 times 10 is 5 times 10, 50, 50 plus 6, 56. So these are the answer according to the property. Now some MCQs by using the property of change of origin and scale. These are some MCQs for the examination point of view. If x bar is equal to 6, find y bar when yi is equal to 10 plus xi. Just now here just directly use the property change of origin. This is a change of origin property. Why change of origin? Because we are adding something. So x bar answer is given and they are asking to find y bar answer. We know the property, this become property. The question always become property. Y become y bar 10 plus x bar. Now we have to find the value of y bar. Just replace the value of x which is given in the question. So 10 plus 6, 10 plus inside bracket is x bar answer which is 16. So 16 is our answer of y bar according to the change of origin property. Second question, if x bar is equal to 50, find y bar when yi is equal to x minus 25. Now you are subtracting something. If you add something or subtract something, these are called change of origin property. So the same, this one is the property, become property. We know the property, this one, become y bar is equal to x bar minus 25. So what is the answer of x bar? X bar is 50. So 50 minus 25. Y bar is equal to 50. The inside bracket means this is the x bar answer. Minus 25. So y bar is 25 according to the properties. Next, if x bar is equal to 10.5, find y bar when xi is equal to 100 times xi. Now when you multiply something, then it becomes scale, change of scale. Now it is change of scale property. Use this one, same, this become property. We know the property, y bar is equal to 100 times x bar. This become property. So we have to find y bar. So write y bar as it is and 100 times the x bar answer. What is x bar answer? 10.5. So y bar is equal to 100. Inside bracket is the x bar. 10.5 multiply you will get 1050 x bar, y bar answer. Next question is if x bar is equal to 17. Find y bar when, now this is the question, yi plus xi plus divide 8. Multiply and divide is the change of scale property. So this one become property. We know the property, this become y bar X become X bar, divide 7 remains same. So how to get Y bar answer? Just replace the X bar answer here. X bar answer is 70. So Y bar is equal to inside bracket as X bar answer, divide 70. So Y bar is equal to 10. Next, if X bar is equal to 15, find Y bar when yi plus equal 7 plus 3 times xi. Now I'm doing addition and multiplication both together. So this is the change of origin and this is the change of scale. So the property is the change of origin and scale together. We know the property. This become property. Y bar equal 7 plus 3 times x bar. Just replace here the value of x bar. We will get y bar answer. So y bar is equal to 7 plus 3 times inside bracket x bar answer which is 15. So multiply, this become 15 times 3, 45, 45 plus 7 is 52. Y bar answer. If x bar is equal to negative 27, find y bar when yi is equal to 13 plus xi divided by 3. Multiply and divide. Both are change of scale property. Addition and subtraction is change of origin. Now this is change of origin and this is change of scale. Divide is also change of scale. So change of origin and scale. We know the property. This become property. Y bar is equal to 13 plus x bar divided 3. Now just replace the value of x bar. So 13 plus inside x bar answer which is 27, negative 26 divided 3, this become negative 9, negative 9 plus 13 is equal to y bar is equal to 4. So y bar answer is 4. According to, these are the MCQs and this one is the short question. The short question is the marks obtained by 5 students are 10, 50, 60, 70 and 30. Later on 10 grace marks were awarded to each student on the pretext of misprinting in the question paper. There was misprinting in the question paper. Due to that, 10 grace marks are awarded to each student. Find the average marks per student before and after receiving the grace marks. First find the average before grace marks, then find average after grace marks. So this is the property of change of origin and scale related property. So let X denote before marks, okay, before grace marks, and Y denote after receiving the grace marks. Now they are asking two type of average. Find the average of the student before and after. So first find the average before. So the average mark before receiving the grace marks. So these are the number and find the average of these one. That become the average before grace marks. So X bar is called average. Just add up this 10 plus 50 plus 60 plus 70 plus 30 divided by 5 because these are 5 number. So 220 divided by 5 is equal to x bar is equal to 45. 45 is the marks before grace marks. These are the student marks before awarded grace marks. Now after award grace marks, now average marks after receiving grace marks. The relation before and after receiving the grace mark, this become relation now according to the property. Y is equal to x plus 10 because each student is awarded 10 marks. Awarded 10 marks mean add 10 change of origin. Just add 10 with each student grace marks. So this become the relation. So how to get y bar? Y bar is equal to x bar plus 10. So according to the property, y bar is equal to 10 plus x bar plus 10. What is x bar? X bar is 44. The previous mark plus 10. So the new marks y bar is equal to 54 after grace marks. The before grace marks average of the student is 44. After awarded the 10 marks, it become 54. This is the short question of 3.22. Determine the value of y by using the equation y is equal to 15x plus 10 when x is equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the value of x, and show that y bar is equal to 15 times x bar plus 10. Now this is the question. First determine the value of y. First find y, use this equation, and these are the value of x. Then prove this one. Since it is given that y is equal to 15x plus 10, it is given in the question. This relation is given in the question, and x is equal to negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are also given in the question. These are the part of the question. So first find the value of y. First find y. How to get y? Just write these number in the table. X is equal to negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and up to 5. And how to get y? Y by using this relation which is given in the question. So this is the change of origin and scale. How to get y? Just replace the value of x, which is negative 3. So negative 3 times 15 plus 5 is equal to negative 35. Now negative 2 times 50. Negative 2 times 15 is negative 30. Negative 30 plus 10 is negative 20. Negative 1 times 15 is negative 15. Negative 15 plus 10 is negative 5. Now 0 times 15 is 0. 0 plus 10 is 10. 1 times 15 is 15. 15 plus 10 is 25. 2 times 15 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. So just replace this value of x in this equation, you will get this y value. So this is the answer of this first part. Determine the value of y. So these are the value of y. Now this is the total. Now show that y bar is equal to 15 x bar plus 10. How to prove this one? To prove this one, first we have to find y bar and x bar answer. Now to show that y bar is equal to 15 times x bar plus 10, for this first find y bar. How to find y bar? Y bar is equal to summation y divided by n. So sum of y. So this is y. The sum of y is 225, and divided by n, this number of 9. 9 numbers. So 225 divided by 9 is 25. 25 is the mean of y according to these number. N x bar. How to get x bar? X bar summation x divided by n. So add up this x number, which is 9. 9 divided by 9, because these are 9 number, is 1. Now replace this y bar 25 and x bar 1 and this equation to prove this. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now substitute these value of in y bar is equal to 15 times x bar plus 10. Why I'm using this equation? Because this is given in the question and we have to prove this one. This is given in the question. Now what is y bar answer? Y bar answer is 25 and 15 times inside bracket x bar answer, which is 1 and plus 10. Now 15 times 1 is 15. 15 plus 10 is 25, and this is 25. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence true. It is true. So this is the question according to the book.